Hello and welcome everybody to another Toonkind D&D at 12 frames per second. I'm Mock and I'm joined here by my two lovely friends. Please introduce yourselves.
Hi, I'm Launch. I got really confused because you were in the middle and I was like, now who goes? But I'm just very tired. I'm playing Mercy. We're doing fun road trip stuff. Again.
Once more. Hi, I'm Yuni. I am playing Larry. And indeed, it is a reprise, reppers
Mm-hmm.
of road trip time.
Yep, and I'm Mock. I don't think I said that at the start, but I'm putting Blink lightly. You know him, you love him. Um, yeah, one road trip game wasn't enough for us. We wanted another one, so we're making another one. Um, and
This time we needed less planning than the first.
ironically enough, we're kind of skipping the entire road trip.
Yeah, yeah.
Unless there was
We
any
just
scenes you guys
montaged right
wanted to
past
do,
it.
but like we kind of already montaged past it, so.
I think they just montage past it. They're probably like getting to the house now.
Mm-hmm.
They
Well,
they arrive and Larry goes, "Wow, that was an incredible journey that we all shared together. We learned so much about each other and have become closer as friends."
I don't remember any of it.
you said it, Larry. Um, at some point in the future, we got to get together and like do some pictures, like a slideshow of like the shit that they did,
Yes.
but we're not doing that today. So, yeah, last we left our group of intrepid adventurers, they were, I think they were in cinema. Blink would have told Zan that they were there. They would have stayed the night, and then he would have been like, "Hey Zan, we're coming up like tomorrow. Tell the gang." um,
Uh,
all that good stuff.
yep. Um, and Zan would have been like, "Oh, yes, of course. Looking forward to seeing you. Um, you know the process of getting in, of course."
And like, yep. So then we like hard cut to. I want to have the group kind of at the edge of the clearing, like hiding behind a bunch of bushes.
Has Blink actually like told the other two about what why they're doing this?
It's a good
I'd like to think
question.
not. I'd like to think not, just because I
Not
don't
in
know
enough
what's going on. I
detail.
want to see what happens.
Yeah.
He's not explained why. I think he's explained basically my plan, at least, or my plan of Blink's plan, is he's gonna go. He's gonna walk around to the other side of this clearing and go make a lot of noise, and he's gonna give them the signal, and that means they go to the house. And that's pretty much the extent of the plan that they've been told.
Should we be worried?
No, 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 no. I do
I
this all the
thought
time. So
you
Blink
do
does
you
that.
do distracting people so that other people can get in all the time.
No, that's a first, actually.
Okay, because I was about to say you don't like seem like the criminal type. No judgment. It just didn't strike me as a thing you were usually into.
Well, we all do what we have to. He's gonna go.
True.
I'm just gonna go. Um, what would Blink do as a signal?
You
Does the
would know better than
distraction,
us.
completely
I
forgets to
know.
give the signal.
I mean, he doesn't. I mean, ironically, he doesn't have a lot of like very like flashy spells. Um,
Are you sure about that?
well, okay, but it's daytime, right? He's got a light, but like
Oh,
he can't be like friggin' Morse code over the.
true. Very true. Yeah, it's harder. Maybe he just wants to cast darkness as a signal.
That's yeah. I mean, possibly, probably. Yeah. I mean, I could just have him burn a third level spell and cast lightning bolt into the air. That's fine.
I'm sure you won't need it
Power
for anything
move.
else.
No, probably not. Definitely not. Anyway,
Yeah.
that's his signal. He's gonna go over to the other side of the house. Um, who's on duty? I'd
Um,
like to think Blink would know. He does still have all those watches on his wrist. He consults them before.
oh baby, he just keeps them on at all times.
I mean, yeah, they're perfectly
Um,
good watches.
Oh, God.
Plus, it's a funny bit.
it is a good bit. There are two patrolling around. You see, both Pierce and Raleigh are on duty, like on opposite ends of the clearing.
Hmm. Okay. All right. I think. All right. Yeah, Blink does not usually do these kinds of things. Actually, now that we're now that I'm really thinking about it.
Hey, hey, Blink, I'm gonna straight go ahead and ask you to roll a stealth check to see if you can even get into the position you want without getting noticed.
Yeah, let's do that. Blink has a great history of rolling stealth. It's worked out for him
He's
every
so
single
good at
time.
it.
22 natural
Oh,
20.
that's a nat 20. All right,
That'll
you
do it.
you have been around enough times that you know exactly how to do this. Finally,
Dun, 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 dun.
he's absolutely singing his own theme song, isn't he?
Maybe.
Aw.
I love him so much.
I wanted to come up with like a lot of specifics for this, but I don't. I don't have them because life exists. But what I want Blink to do, basically, is he's gonna go to the other side of this clearing, and then on at least one tree branch, he's going to set up like basically a trap, where he has what's the word? One of those things where it's just like a string and you drop it and then like a cage falls down.
Okay.
That's his plan for at least one, and then he's basically going to improvise for the next. I mean, I want you to imagine that
Cool.
there's more steps in between, like Rube Goldberg machine esque shit.
Yeah, totally. Just a wacky tune. One thing leads to another.
Yep.
Yeah, totally.
Mousetrap,
Um,
mousetrap.
yes, Past Trap. Um, I guess I don't know what this would be. Would it be like a dex check to see if you could set up a trap effectively?
Um, yeah, it could be a dex. I've done.
Or maybe just just to roll a hammer space to see if you just conveniently have one in there.
Yeah, hang on. A 4. Yes, we do.
Free mousetrap.
Nice.
It's pre-made. He
Perfect.
made this ahead of time. You know what? No, it's a.
With all the tinkering he does, I 1000% believe that he would just like have the materials to do this in there.
Yeah. So he does this. He sets this up and then puts like an X on the ground because you have to have that. And what he's going to do uh, is put his fingers to his mouth and whistle real loud.
Okay. Oop. I will roll to see. I should have pulled up their individual sheets because they all have basic little sheets that I've been using. Beep boop. Beep boop sad toot.
It's all good.
Let's see. I'm sorry.
No, it's all good. I mean, I'm just like, should I talk more? Should I not talk more? I don't.
No, you're good. So that's
Nice.
and do.
Nice.
Okay.
Excellent. Good.
So
Nailed it.
um you 1000% caught the attention of Pierce, who normally he's very quiet, very timid, very withdrawn. And as soon as he hears you whistle, you just see all of his porcupine spines just like up. And he looks like a very deadly pincushion as he comes sniffling his way over towards whoever is invading the space. It seems that Raleigh is just completely oblivious. He's far away and not you didn't catch his
Dang.
attention.
Well, all right. Well, we gotta do this one first. Blink. I think Blink waves. He's not hiding anymore. That was just to get in position. Blink's just like, hey, Pierce, how you doing? It's been a while. He's just.
um oh God, I don't actually have what the role for this would be, but
What are
I'm
you
just
trying to
gonna
do?
go ahead. Um as an 18 hit your
Oh my
AC.
Oh,
god.
it does.
Cool. Pierce has launched some of his needles at you because that's a thing toon porcupines do.
Yeah.
Don't worry, he's not very damage based, but he will hit you for you'll get hit with one of his needles for 3 damage as
Oh,
he
this is
barrels
going about
towards
as well
you.
as I anticipated. Um,
Yay!
Do do the other two see this?
hopefully not. Blink should be on the other side
Probably.
of the house.
He also did let out a huge whistle, and you did specifically say he's not
No, I mean that's
hiding
also true.
anymore.
If they want to see, they probably can.
We could roll perception checks to see if they notice what's going on.
Oh boy.
Oh, Percy. Percy, you
Mercy.
absolutely know.
Mercy is looking.
Larry's just waiting.
Larry's like,
Hey.
I do not see it.
Hey, I
He's
need you to do me a favor.
up.
I need you to take my jar and throw me as close to Blink as you can get me.
Um,
I think someone is attacking him.
yeah, all right.
Okay, before
um,
that happens, can Blink do a thing?
yeah, sure.
How far away is Pierce standing?
He's running towards you, but he's still probably a good. I'll say he's like one round away, so 30 feet.
Hmm. Hmm. Mm-mm-mm.
Not full combat, but it is, unofficial.
Let's see.
I've spent so long just having them be like, "You're not allowed here." You weren't
Yep.
expecting them to actually attack.
I was not 100% expecting them to attack. He's just too far away for me to use lightning lure.
Ah,
Let's see. I'm gonna do. Oh no, wait. Can I do this? No, no, I don't have that one. I don't have that meta magic. Shit.
oh
There's
no.
there's one that lets you double a spell's distance.
Ugh,
Ah,
piss.
Hang on a sec.
sorry. I'm sorry, Blink.
It's okay. Man,
Meanwhile, Zan is like, "Boy, everyone's gonna be so happy to see Blink back. I wonder
yep,
when he'll get here."
they are. They're running toward him right now. It's really exciting.
Ready for a big ol' hug.
Uh huh. Damn, Blink. What are you gonna do? um.
Blink, do something. Mercy's gonna come over there.
Sorry, I'm like, shit. So I don't want him to outright attack. That's not what's happening.
Right. He knows Pierce is a good dude when
Hmm.
he's not being
I think.
brain warped.
I think. Let's see if I can do this. I think what I would like Blink to do. Let me just double check and make sure this is something I can do. I think I would like Blink to take the dodge action.
Okay,
So he's
fair
basically,
enough.
his focus is entirely on avoiding attacks. Any attack roll that
Got
is
it.
made against him has disadvantage till the start of his next turn, and I make dex saving throws with advantage.
Makes sense. Yep, that tracks.
He's prepped,
Okay.
baby!
um, I think I'm going to have Larry just do like a straight strength roll to see how far he can yeet Mercy.
Nice. Do it.
Street. Sweet.
Yeah, Blink's not great at explaining
Oh,
Mercy,
things.
no.
oh no. He like tosses her and she like kind of lands at the bottom of the hill in the clearing, but isn't especially close to the action. Oh
Mercy
no,
crawls
what
back and is
happens
like, no, no, do
is
it again.
Larry yeets her, and it would have gone super far, but he forgot that there's still like hiding in forest area, so she like hits a branch and just right down.
Smackdown.
1 foot.
Does
It's
that
not
grab
that
anyone
bad.
else's attention?
Let's see.
That's a good question, actually. Nope.
Nope.
So sick.
What a champion.
Oh, oh, Rally. Oh,
Oh my
Rally,
god.
buddy.
My god. Uh, Mercy's just gonna very slowly begin to ooze her way towards the guy attacking Blink. Um,
Oh,
like she's not going crab mode, but she's staying in her jar and like occasionally like having hands go out and just kind of like push her
Snail
along.
mode.
oh my God. Mercy.
She doesn't want to be crab, but she also doesn't want to get out of jar.
Oh, honey.
Snail mode.
Um,
Yeah, more or less.
I guess Mercy make a stealth roll.
Oh, Mercy.
This is going about as well as I expected it to.
This is incredible.
We didn't need any planning. We already had this.
The dice made the game happen.
Mm-hmm.
He's not very
Oh,
stealthy.
not very stealthy. Oh, so he didn't notice the thing, hitting a branch and falling in, but he does catch sight of the weird black blob oozing its way across his territory.
Great.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, just
She
barely.
wants to get his attention, and if he starts to approach her, she's gonna quickly curl into her jar.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my
Mercy,
gosh.
you're fucking this all up. Mercy, there's a reason.
This is what happens when you don't explain things, Blink.
Okay, he told him that he was gonna go do it.
He didn't mention that he might get attacked.
Yeah,
That's a fair
Mercy
point.
doesn't want to see her friends get hurt.
That's a fair point.
They all want to protect and cherish
Like,
him.
we could
So
roll
yeah,
initiative, or we could just keep kind of going.
I'm fine with just
I
going.
I say we
Honestly.
just keep going. So yeah, there is now a Wolfie Toon heading over towards the Black Blob. He's not like in attack mode yet because he doesn't know what the ooze is,
Yeah.
but it is suspicious. Meanwhile, I guess uh yeah, Pierce is still running at Blink. I'm going to have him do another needle attack thing.
Disadvantage. Nice. Don't even
Oh,
need it.
that's a nat one. So yeah, it's like right as he's trying to launch, he steps onto the big X and is thwarted.
Yep. No, it's
And
just
suddenly
like a.
he
Yep.
the trap falls down, and like right as he's launching all his needles, and suddenly he's trapped in his own Iron Maiden.
Oh my
Oh
god!
no! Brutal.
Blink is just like, alright, that's, good job. Thank you. He, like, looks around, and he probably sees what's happening now on the other side of this clearing, and he's just like, oh, man. Oh, beans.
Mercy's just in her jar. She makes sure, though, this is very important, she makes sure the label is visible.
Ah, will bite.
There you go, yeah.
Um, Larry is watching this unfold, and he's like, so was this all, is this how it was supposed to go? Or at this point, he's just gonna start walking down into the clearing because he's like, I
Oh,
don't know what's
man.
happening anymore.
We are freaking nailing it.
A plus, great work all around. They have become so close as a team during this road
Like
trip.
a
They're
well-oiled
basically mind
machine.
linked,
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
1000%. Um, Mercy, what are you going to do now that Blink's assailant is trapped?
Blink probably spent his, like, quote-unquote turn just, like, checking and making sure that Pierce isn't gonna get out.
Oh, well,
Pierce spent the whole time just glaring at you and making growling, chittery noises because I don't know. The thing with porcupines, what makes them scary is the quills, and now he can't use his quills on
Yes.
you.
Can I ask a
Mercy.
question of something would Blink know? Sorry, really quick.
Okay,
Um,
go ahead.
are they like okay, when they're on duty, like how like smart are they general like basically my question is if there's a button on the inside of the box that says push here if you're push here if you're cool again, like
um, I will. You know what? I will roll an intelligence check to see if Pierce is able to notice it.
like if that's something Blink might have built in.
I mean, some of them are sharper than others. Ha ha ha! It's a joke.
Wow.
ha-
Um,
But like this is something that Blink
like
would
for
know about.
example, like Neil's 1000% wouldn't notice it.
Mm.
Murray or Pierce probably might be able to do it.
Mm. It's fine. Blake didn't know who was gonna be on duty. I mean, he probably did, but not while he was building it, because the timing wasn't. It's fine. No,
Well, he rolled low, so he's
I just want to say
just
that that's
sort
in
of
there. I really want to say that
yeah.
that's in there.
He's trying to like sort of claw at you with his short little arms and getting nowhere close.
Great. It's the thing where it's like under a little glass panel. Like you gotta. Okay, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
God,
um,
yeah, Mercy.
the other guy's still coming, right?
Yes,
She's gonna stay in her jar and just observe and ready if he chooses to interact with the jar.
Are you holding an
She's
action
given
of
him
bite?
enough warning.
holding a bite action.
Yes, holding a bite action.
Great. Yeah, he is 100% coming over and staring at the jar. And
God, that blink's
he,
back.
no, the blink is across the clearing. Um, yeah, he's going to go ahead and try to pick up the jar because someone left a suspicious object. And you know what you do with suspicious objects, you get rid of them. Oh, that's a dirty 20.
Oh no.
Like right before she does it, like she's still in the jar, she taps the label, and then very quickly, with teeth that are far too sharp to be goopy, she will come out and just like nip him.
Oh my gosh. High damage. Oh
Oof.
man.
And
Yeah,
then immediately
you
goes
got
back
him
to the
real
jar.
good.
Damn, that jar
He
label
lets
was
out
right. They do be biting.
he lets out just like a howl of anger and dismay. And let's see.
Oh, good. Guys, this is going well.
This is going wonderfully. I love it. Um, okay. Does that meet your Jarmer class?
I don't know if the jar adds any armor class, but it meets a regular armor class. Oh
Good.
my god, does he
Okay.
break
He
her
is
jar?
absolutely he is kicked Mercy.
Very important. Does he break her jar though?
Does he punt the jar across
uh
the.
well, let's see how much damage he does.
Can he punt the jar down the hill? Nice.
No, he
Oh my
doesn't do too
god.
much damage. But you might like there might be like a chip in the jar now.
Oh
No,
no.
my jar.
Um
Some crimes cannot be forgiven.
Larry at this point has just like walked down and he's like, I don't know. Hey, dude, can you not? She's cool. Because he has no idea what's going on. He thought these people liked Blink.
Yeah,
They
no,
do.
Mercy's like that too. Mercy's just kind of like, well, this one
They
tried to
do is the
interact. That's
problem.
my warning.
Um, oh gosh.
I mean, if
Let's
nothing.
say it's a resilient jar. It's got 5 hit points.
God, my favorite jar.
I mean, Mercy's
It's
protecting it. There is a
so
level
yeah,
of like.
it is imbued with the power of mercy.
There is so much slime in this thing.
Oh
This
yes,
bad boy
he's so
gets
gooey.
so much goo in it. Okay.
Um,
Does Blink know that this is happening? He probably does. I
at
mean,
this,
he's stopped.
yeah,
He's finished with. He's double checked Pierce's situation. He's satisfied with it, and he like looks up across to like find out. Okay, well, where's Rally?
Rally let out a howl
Yeah.
when he was bit. So yeah, you definitely noticed it. What's going on there?
Oh, beans. Okay, you stay here. He's going to probably spend his turn like sprinting across the across the yard.
Cool.
What's that? He's got to say
Um,
something, right? He's got to be. He's got to say words. Okay. You guys just want to like take a step back really quick. It's okay. They're on duty. They don't know. You were supposed to hide.
sure,
It's probably a big
blame it
enough
on them.
clearing that like he's got to like take his whole turn, right? Dash action.
Yeah, definitely. Um, Mercy,
Oh.
your jar has been chipped, and you got kicked around, and now Blink is yelling at you from across the yard. What are you gonna do?
Um, apply slime to chip.
Oh my god, does Mercy know mending?
No.
No!
Wait, does she? Fuck. No, she doesn't.
No!
Oh,
Blink does not.
She's just putting slime on it and like hoping that works instead.
oh.
Apply pressure.
Good try.
Hey,
But she's
don't
keeping
worry. You're
she's
probably about
keeping
to visit someone who does know mending.
I was gonna
she's
say.
keeping a close eye on the person who has broken her jar, because that will not be so easily forgiven. Uh, Mercy learns how to hold a grudge.
Um, unfortunately, I'm afraid Riley has,
Shit.
he does not respond well to being told not to do things when he is on duty. Um, is gonna make another attack
Oh
on the
no.
jar.
Oh
Fuck.
god. On the jar?
Well, on yeah,
On Mercy in the
he
jar, presumably.
yes, on Mercy in the jar. Yeah, he is. Well, actually, how do I do this?
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to figure out like Raleigh is making a move to attack Mercy again because ow what
Yeah.
bit him. And
There's a
Larry wants
label.
to try and like intercept. So I guess they would make a contested strength check.
Mm. Or you could do it against Larry's AC. You know what I mean? Like an attack, but instead of Mercy's armor class, it's Larry's because he's trying to get in the way.
I think yeah,
I'm
yeah, I
sure there's
guess
like
so.
real D&D rules for this, but I don't know them.
Um yeah, let's see.
Well, fuck.
Oh, that is a nat 20
Oh,
from Frally. Oh dear.
Mm.
Let's see.
retribution.
Uh, Larry has absolutely put himself between Rally and Mercy though, because he's just whoa, 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 come on, man. Um, Thankfully he's not super strong, but it will be doubled. Oh dear.
Oh no.
This is going well.
This is going great. This is a
Good
great time
job.
that they're
I can't
having.
believe that has been flawlessly executed.
Mm.
This is so incredible. I'm so proud of everyone here. Okay.
Uh huh.
So
Mm.
13 damage to Larry because
Larry's got a lot of
takes
hit
a
points, right?
he does. Yeah, that would have 1000% destroyed Mercy's jar if he hadn't gotten in the way.
Ah, the
Um
jar is safe.
the jar he is the jar protector.
Ah.
Um um and Larry's like, okay, cool. We're doing this. Um and he is going to make a I'm going to give it disadvantage on his own strength check because he already tried to like get in the way of an attack.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, unfortunately he's trying to grapple Rally and is not succeeding.
Oh.
This is one determined wolf to get at the thing that bit him. It is clearly a threat. This jar is a threat to
This
the
jar
place
is
he is supposed to
threatening me.
protect. Uh, Blake, how is
Yeah, I
your
was gonna
perfect,
say
perfect plan going?
really well. Blake has probably got to the other side of the clearing by now. I don't know exactly how wide it is.
Yeah, you're probably pretty much where this is happening at this point.
So Blink rolls up. He's like, "Hey guys, just give me a sec here. Hey, Rally, buddy." He's gonna try and put his arm around Rally and turn him around and walk the other way. Can I talk to you for just a
um,
second? And try and
Make a charisma check.
will do. 8.
Oof.
Blink, that's the one you're supposed to be good at. Can I argue advantage
Oh,
because he knows Rally?
you know what? Yes, I will allow that.
Both like the actual person and what they're like when they're on
Yeah,
duty.
you've got a lot of experience with these guys. I say advantage is fair.
17.
Okay, there you go.
That's
Yeah, you
better.
you know how to like you immediately pull him to like the Bugs Bunny sort of
It's
gag of
about the
just like
finesse.
yeah of deceiving him into just like yeah pull him up close. No problem. We're all buddies here. Everything's fine. Um
Like Blink, you're a fucking sorcerer. You're a charisma caster, please.
Oh, the dice are just making this game happen. I love it.
Great, it's a great time.
Man, it'd be really cool if we had something to like tie him up with, like a rope.
Still bitter about that rope, huh?
I'll never be over it.
I mean, Larry's got a normal rope, like normal people do.
Yeah, well, I think.
Um,
Oh,
Yeah. So he's
have
gonna.
you even mentioned to Zan that you lost your rope?
He probably didn't come up.
Oh,
I don't know how in
because
depth.
Zan
Zan wasn't really in a place to listen to like a fun story at the time.
a fun story that involves his breakout.
Yep, his own. Yeah.
God.
Hey, Riley. Come here for a sec. You don't have to worry about those guys. Honestly, they're basically nobody. What you're really gonna want to do is come over here and chase me for a little bit, if that works for you.
Mm, Raleigh sort of growls and flashes his teeth at you and goes, "They're trespassers! Bit me!"
I mean, I could bite you if you like.
No. And he flashes his teeth at you. This is like, I will do the biting.
I think Blink is gonna use shocking grasp.
And I'm
Okay.
What's the thing I'm due for shocking grasp? I know what this is. Hang on.
That remind me how it
Melee
works.
spell attack. There it is.
Okay.
25.
Oh, yeah, 1000%.
Um, it'll be 1d8 lightning damage. It'll be fine. 6.
he'll be fine.
And he can't take reactions until the start of his next turn.
All right. Cool, cool, cool. He is between that and I think the nasty bite he got, he's actually
Oh
pretty
shit!
well out. It's okay.
Wait, did
He's
we kill
just
him?
Good night.
no, he's knocked out. You used your tune wiles on him, so it's all fun
Okay,
and games. And bite marks and singed fur.
great, nailed it, got it.
A plus work, perfect
We
plan.
did it,
Everything
guys.
went as intended.
We did it. We saved the world.
All right, hang on, I got something for this. He reaches into his hammer space and pulls out a little like sleeping cap, nightgown cap, puts it on top of Riley's head while he's knocked out. Puts like a little pillow under his head too.
Perfect. Oh
Kind
my
of pats him.
god.
Oh, there you go.
You go
Oh
first.
god. And Larry just stares around the knocked out wolf, the trapped porcupine, and he goes, I feel like we've been misled about your relationship with these people.
Well, so you see, hmm.
Oh.
Blink is gonna check his watches. How much time do they have?
They've got yeah, they arrived in like the middle of a watch. But
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and oh, not
Whoa.
20. Um
Is that good or bad? I don't know.
this at this point it will be uh you up above from Garden Plaza, you will see uh, a gray old wolf peek down and be like, "What are you doing down there?"
He just looks down. There's
Blink. You know better than to make noise this time of day. I'm supposed to be getting my 18 hours of sleep.
sorry, sir.
And Yusuf the wolf sort of grumbles and he goes, I assume you're here to see the wizard. I'll go get the dang man. It's just like he has offered no help throughout this whole thing. He's just like, why are you making noise?
Good to see you too.
God, Mercy's going to slime up Larry's leg and
Yeah, from
cure
all
wounds
they've
him.
seen, these people fucking hate Blake.
I
Blake's
don't
gonna go
think
to the
these
up into
people
the
like
house.
you.
Sorry, go. Sorry. Say it again.
I don't think these people like you, Blink.
What? No, no, no. It's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, Larry, take 10 HP of healing from the slime
Aw,
girl.
yay.
Blink
That's
turns
oh,
around and starts
thanks.
walking up to the house, and you see he's got a porcupine quill on his butt.
um, Larry, I assume Mercy hasn't left her jar, but he picks
Yeah.
picks it up so that it will be easier transport than sliming her way.
She is a little bit slower sliming. Uh,
Yeah, she is capable of walking, but jar
Jar is nice. Jar
jar
makes
is
things go
good.
quicker.
Jar.
Um, mm,
Jar trap.
Larry Larry follows Blink along, and uh, Yusef has like gone into the house and comes back out and goes, you came during. He's in the main room. Just go tell him whatever you're here for. And he gives you a pat on the shoulder. He goes, "It's good to see you, you little brat,"
Blink gives
and
him like
goes
a
back into
very
the
quick
garden.
hug. Very, very quick. So quick he barely, like, he doesn't have time to react.
Ah. He gives you a little a little pat and then just
Aw.
grumbles off into the garden.
Sweet dreams.
um and you will go into the study room, and Zan is there. The unnamed wolf is like curled up on his lap. She's been napping on top
Also,
of
Zan
him.
cannot move.
Yes. And Zan gives a sort of sheepish wave and whispers, "Hello, sorry, I didn't want to disturb Mira today. It's good to see you." And he just sort of like holds his arms out as a sort of like spiritual hug.
Yeah.
Mercy and Larry just kind of awkwardly stand in the doorway, like,
Yeah,
huh?
no, it's. Blink, like, goes over and does some kind of attuned body contortions to hug Zan.
Yeah. And Zan smiles at both Lurcy and Mary.
Yep, yep, that's it. Those are the ones.
Nailed it, nailed it,
Yep,
nailed it.
that's them. That's them. Look, he only interacted with you guys the once. It's hard to remember names sometimes.
Classic.
He gives a smile and goes, "It's I'm glad you to see you again. I wish it were under better circumstances, but uh, I hope the others didn't give you too much trouble out there. It sounded like something was happening."
No. We had it under control. Don't even worry about it.
One of them did not read the jar.
And Larry goes, "Oh, yeah, she's in a jar. Do you know how to fix
Yeah. So,
glass?" And goes, "Oh, of course. Let me see." And or we'll bring over Percy in the jar, and Zan will, of course, first read and goes, if I fix this, will you please not bite me?" Percy.
lunch?
Okay.
He lays a hand over the chip, and there's a faint glow, and jar is whole, jar is complete.
Jar is fixed. Mercy happy.
Blink like throws his arms up in the air. Again, this is silent and just like, but like a like celebrate like woo.
Um, we'll do
Start sliding yourself back towards Larry.
a. Hold on. In his lap, the child wolf sort of shifts and lets out a little sort of grumble, but she does not wake. And he goes, um, it may take a while. She hasn't been sleeping well lately, but make yourself at home. I did prepare some snacks in the kitchen. I will be with you
Mercy.
as soon as I
Aw.
can. Yes, and then he was warned, so there are chicky nuggets waiting for you.
The chicken
Yeah.
will be found. It might take a while, though.
um,
Yeah, I think Blake would just kind
uh,
of accompany them to the kitchen.
yay. Oh gosh. Yeah, is there anything else we want to set up before next time?
Yeah, that's a great question.
What kind of chicken nuggets did he get?
Oh, that's an important one. Yeah.
Mm, I think he probably did have to get the generic blob shaped nuggets. Um,
Did
Cannibalism.
he?
Blob eats blob.
Blobby's blob.
blob consume blob.
But he did say he prepared some snacks. Did he prepare like the chicken nuggets and then set aside like some ketchup and some other dips just in case someone wants that?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, Mercy goes over to them, smacks them down.
Like a cat knocking shit off the table.
Yeah, except like a lot more like force behind
Like
that as it just
violently.
slats against the wall.
And Zan in the other room just hears clatter, crash, splat. It's just like, hmm. He's
Not
been
a fan of
he's
condiments.
yeah.
The nuggets are hoarded.
Or will take one of the like cucumber sandwiches that has been laid out. Oh, I will say, just blink since this is
Mm-hmm.
your first time back since it happened. You did notice that there's now a big, impressive looking magical cauldron
Oh
in
yeah, that is
Zan's
there, isn't
study.
it?
It sure is just over an eternal flame, sort of bubbling away.
Oh yeah.
Um, yeah,
Blink makes a
that's
note to
just a
ask
thing
about that
for
later.
yep at a later time.
Right now, it's
But
time for
yeah,
chicken nuggets.
it's probably a lopsided cake that he and the Not Tunes worked on to make in celebration for your arrival.
Blink almost
Aww.
cries.
Aww.
Yep.
Despite all appearances, they love you very much.
He knows this. I think that's a really just a good note to end on, honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
a fun little prelude to whatever horror comes up next.
Woohoo! We love
Yay!
it. All right. I'm going to end the recording. Thank
Thank you for
everybody for
listening.
listening.
So
Thank you
long,
guys for
gamers.
playing.
Yeah.
And see you next time. All right. Bye.
Bye.